Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to engrave text logo on glass perfume bottle using our UV laser marking machine. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release the machine. Turn on the red light to assist in laser focusing. Now, power on the system. Insert the wireless mouse receiver and connect the mouse. Enter password. Next, click Vector to import the logo. Adjust the position and size. Then set the marking parameters. For glass marking, we recommend speed 500 mm/s, power 95%. This gives you high contrast, clean marks without damaging the surface. Click Preview to confirm the position, make final adjustments, and start the marking process. This is the marking result. If you'd like to explore more marking solutions or see how HeatSign can help your business, contact us today.